What's happening, everybody? Y'all ready? Y'all ready today? Dude, yesterday, crazy, right? Crazy. All right, we're gonna let me look at letting everybody in the room. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. We today are going to be trading the Nasdaq Apex, just like yesterday. And y'all know that we're here yesterday. That's the big goal this year, right? We're trying to learn this Apex or prop firm trading. I've been trading for a long time, man, over 17 years, but this is new. So we're doing it together. All right. My goal this year is 20 PA accounts. This is brand new. I'm not used to this charting service, Sierra Charts. All this is new. I'm learning a completely different style. My specialty is the S&P 500 and option trading. So I'm learning the Nasdaq with a completely different charting system. So it's going to be, we're going to win, lose, get our asses whooped, whatever, together. So now we do have a school. I'm going to let the school in. We have our mastermind group as part of the live coaching where we are not only trading options, we are going over this, right? We're brainstorming because we're all trying to make it. So anyway, sit back, relax. Market opens up in a little bit. Do a lot of talking throughout this, but I got to let my students in the room, right? We have a live school, live coaching class, and we do primarily option trading. We've been doing ES trading all of 2024, but I have a lot of my students that are doing this, so we're working together to try to figure it out, but I don't pretend to be an expert, so we'll see what happens. We're going to learn this together. All right, let me see here. Let me make sure all the stuff is set up. We're good over there. I got a lot of windows, right? Let me make sure my news feed. The problem was my data feed yesterday. 13. All right, we're good. Our data feed's okay today. Yesterday, for those of you that were here, remember we were having a lot of problems, technical. My data, it wasn't correct. It wasn't connected properly. So when I was placing a trade, it was all messed up. So I had to reconnect my data. That's what it was. All right, but we look good now. Looks like it's synced up. Nasdaq's down 8. S&P 500 took a beating yesterday. All right, we're good to go. So we'll see what happens today, but this is brand new to me. Brand new, but this is a goal, right? I've been trading for a long time. Long time. But boy, I'm used to Japanese candlesticks. This is unrinko charts or your unirinko. Fucking crazy. Crazy. Let me do this. Let me try to, and again, I'm learning this. So let me try to, I think I can somehow so I'm new to Sierra Charts, but we got a couple minutes before the market opens. I need to detach. There it is. Chart. Detach. There we go. Then we'll go here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this off to the side. Okay. I'm kind of getting used to all this stuff. Hang on. Where's it at? Hang on. I detached it. Where's it at? Okay. Hang on. I detached the chart. Where the hell is it? It's not there. I'm not going to trade for the first couple minutes anyway, but okay. So did it detach or what? There it is. Hang on a second. That's weird. Oh, maybe I detached the wrong damn one. Oh, I know what it was, y'all. Okay, so I detached that one. Hang on a second. Go here. And I'm not trading this second anyway. Oh, weird. All right, let me see if I can attach it back. Trade window. This is cool. And I'm not doing nothing this second anyway. I'm still learning this together. So trade. How do you attach it back? Window. Let me do this. Let me go here. Trade. Window. How do you attach this son of a bitch back? Yeah, I'm not trading yet anyway. It's fucking crazy. Let's try it again. All right, so we'll go here. Let's go to chart. Attach. There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll figure that out later on whenever we get into the program. But anyway, Nasdaq is... What's going on, James? James. James, send me your email, brother. Just send it in our chat. I want to make sure, man. Send me your email. I need to check some things out. What's going on, Jason? What's up? What's up? All right. We're going to let things shake out right here. Yeah, James, send me your email, brother. There it is. Thanks, brother. Boy. Hey, so should I zoom in? There we go. Now we can see it a little bit better, I think, all right? All right. Things are going to get crazy. So we got to get focused. Yeah, Jason, I saw that stuff on the news, man, about those fires. You talking about crazy, brother. Crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it about 50, we'll see. Maybe 10 minutes or so. Out of control, bro. Out of control. Yeah. So just kind of looking at all the markets. S&P is down 10. Okay, so I got to make sure my data feed, right? Ah, look. So here's what I need to do. This was happening yesterday. All right, data feed. Not there, so I'm going to disconnect it. I didn't look at that yesterday and connect it. Bam! I got to do that every day. I messed up. So what happened was, there we go. Now we're in sync. So I need to make sure every day with the data feed. Dude, and you want to hear something crazy? I just got denied with stage 5 trading. It sent me an email and they said I was denied. I don't understand that. I don't even know how that's fucking possible. So I got to figure out with those fools later why the hell they would deny me. I messaged them back and I said, I've been trading for over 17 years. What in the heck would you deny me for? But there's one thing that I'm thinking, man. All that stuff that happened to me last year, it's probably on my record. Even though those bastards did that, I'm guessing, because my buddy got denied, not for stage 5 trading. He got denied for AMP futures because of that reason. I'm wondering if they ran my information, even though those assholes, completely false, none of it was true. I wonder if it's on my record. If it is, holy shit, dude. I don't know. I'm going to have to raise hell because that's bullshit. But they denied me, man. Stage 5 trading denied me. So I got to figure out what's going on. Anyway, things are bouncing around right now quite a bit. I'm going to stay out of it for a second. Fuck, I don't know how they deny me. The fuck are they doing, man? FBI, piece of dog shit, dude. What a terrible organization. What a corrupt organization. What a corrupt organization. Rafa's back in the game, baby. All right, so here's what I am trading. Oh, you know what? Let me do this while we're here. So I got my Apex. Let me connect my auto trader. We're doing this live. Yes. So I'm trading. Okay. So I'm trading $50,000 account, Eval, and I'm copy trading too. So I'm trading 3 accounts. Jason, we got to work on what we talked about yesterday for sure. And then you can tell me later what they said today in that orientation. All right, we're good. And I wanted to detach my chart, but I think when I detached it, it screwed up everything. So right now we're bouncing around. I'm in no hurry to get whooped. I just got to figure out why I got denied with stage 5. How the fuck did I get denied with stage 5 trading brokerage? I don't even like their damn brokerage. I'm only doing it because of the data feed. Fuck, dude. Denied me. All right. Psychology, how to read higher highs, lows. On these charts, on these Urenco charts. Let me bring the chat where I can actually see it. Both chart. We have another charts. Oh, that's right. She does have some other chart. The numbers really. So they just talked about how to read highs and lows. All right. I think Friday I'm going to join, or whenever they talk about Sierra charts, because obviously I got to still learn Sierra charts. But we'll talk about it today in a mastermind whenever we come off the mic and all that. But look at this son of a bitch, right? Damn. Nasdaq's down 50. These are crazy. Somebody messaged me yesterday, and they were talking about, are you not trading the ES anymore? So the answer is, for the next 3 months, I'm focusing all my day trading on this. I already know how to trade the ES. I want to pass 5 evaluation accounts. This is new to me. The software is new to me. The style's new to me. But why would I want to trade my own money when I can trade prop firms' money? It doesn't make any sense. So for the next 3 months, day trading, I'm going to be focusing on the Nasdaq. I'm still going to do my option trading. Yes, I'm still doing options. Same time for the school. But I'm trading this throughout the whole day. Throughout the whole day. We have a mastermind group, if you're in the live coaching class, that we actually are learning this together. So, all right, so we got a little V, man. This bad boy is moving down. So let me go to the news items. So we had unemployment at 7:30. Now at 1 o'clock we have FOMC. So we're going to be in the mastermind group today. During the FOMC, it's going to get crazy. All right. So I'm probably going to just give it about 15 minutes, let it calm down. I'm just going to be looking at it. All right, you can see it's bouncing around like crazy. We have the star at the 6. Got this lower low. Right there, we got the Fibonacci at 70 support level. So, again, as soon as 15 minutes is up, I'm going to start attacking this. Okay? Now, look at it bounce. Remember, I am new to CR charts completely. I've never traded these Unrinko charts until recently. So that's what I'm trying to pass these with, because I can't do a TD Ameritrade. It does. I don't know how to connect to a prop firm, or I don't think it does, or Charles Schwab. So I have to learn something else. But I'm brand new. So win, lose, get destroyed. I mean, we're going to do it together, right? And I'll keep doing it until I figure this out. And I'm going to figure it out in 2025. Very important for me to figure this shit out. Right, so we're pulling back, right? Bouncing off these pullback lines. I gotta get that dude out. I think that dude James popped in. I need to remove him out of here. I don't think he's I need to see if he's in the school. I don't let people in the school. I don't let people in his room that are not in the school. So I need to see if that dude is still in it. If not, he's gone. You're only allowed in the university or the mastermind group. You're part of the coaching with me. Other than that, nope. And again, I know a lot of the students, I think Jeff and John and them, is it still going on over there, Jason? Is it still going on? Yeah? Yeah. So they're just talking about reading higher highs and higher lows. All right. So in a couple minutes, I'm going to start giving a crack at it. So I'm shifting my Jason. This is what I'm going to do, what we talked about yesterday. But I'm going to go 80 and 40. And when I put the trade on, I'm just going to let it go. It's either going to stop me out or hit my target. That's kind of the way I'm going to play it, I think, today. I'm not going to adjust it. It is what it is. Okay? Oh, wait a minute. They were going over how to read the structure of Unrinko? What do you mean? It's like, you mean like these lower lows, and is that what you're talking about? Yeah? Well, that's interesting. Well, if you learn anything new today in the group, make sure you share it. Pullbacks and runs like this? Huh. Okay. Well, again, if you learn something new, whenever we get in, share it. If it's the same stuff that we're doing, then it ain't no big deal. But if we learn something new, that's why I'm hoping that if John and them learn something new, they'll share it. Because, you know, I'm brand new to these Unrinko charts. Brand new. And I still can't quite figure out. So we got us a lower low with a Wilder X arrow. We had the double star at the 6. 6 to 6 trade right there worked out nicely. We have a higher high. We should be pulling back to, look at it, bam, but it's so fast right now. Look at that, just bam, this will tear you apart, bro. It was not this cycle in the afternoon yesterday. Let me see something really quick while I'm waiting real quick. Gotta check something out. It was not this cycle yesterday. Well, it's just us right now, Rafa, because the others are over there in that orientation. So I told they're going to the orientation, and then they're coming over here. So, yeah, there's an orientation going on this first week. I'm not going to be in it because I'm here, but they're over there, and then they jump in the room when it's over. So I don't know when it's over. But what we're doing is, hang on a second. Okay. What we're doing is if they learn anything new, we have our mastermind group that meets at 11:30 every day, which we're going to meet today also. We trade, but whatever they learn, they're going to share it. So it's John, it's Jeff, it's Brandon, it was Jason, and I didn't tell a ton of people about it, but they're over there right now learning this, or whatever they're learning, and then they're going to bring it back to us. Jason said they were talking about just psychology, but reading the highs and lows. So again, I'm trying to learn these damn Urenco charts. So if they learn something new, that's going to be good. Right? So like in this particular case, you got to right click, go to studies, apply, bam. And what will happen is it'll start to populate things. So like, for example, we have a higher low, lower low, low. We're making a lower low right now. I'm going to be using this today. So I'm going to be, this is going to be one of my focuses. I switch to the 1 minute over here. I got the, yeah. So I'm going to be, again, what we're trying to figure out. Again, we're going to work together. The good thing, Rafa, is we're all brand new to this. We're all going to work together as a team, and we're going to figure it out. Because again, I don't want to, I would not want to trade my money if I can trade their money. There we're going. Okay, let me see here. So structure. Yeah, it came right down here on the VWAP, right? So we're sitting right here at this VWAP. And again, this is Sierra charts. Pretty crazy going on right now. I can see that there's kind of some, it's pretty volatile. So I'm going to wait. You know, we don't need much. We don't need much. You're going to see how fast it goes, bro. It goes so fast. So fast. You can lose or win so fast. Crazy. All right, so now this has a lower high. I guess because, oh, yeah. Yeah. So we got a lower high over here. And again, I'm just learning this. I'm not in a hurry to blow up my account, right? So this is what's interesting. Oh, now it says a higher high. So when I refreshed it, it said a higher high. This said a lower high a minute ago. This is what's crazy. If you notice, that actually said lower high. And then when I refreshed it, it changed to higher high. Do you see that? That is interesting. But again, right now it's pretty volatile. A lot of mixed messages. I'm going to be really laser focused today. Really laser focused, man. I've got 7 PA accounts. Look at that shit. Holy crap. This happened in a second. I couldn't even have got into that trade if I tried. It literally went from here to here in a second. Holy. You see how fast these things are? This is crazy. Bouncing around, man. Right now, I'm just trying to read the charts before I put on any trades. My number one focus this year is to master this and pass 20 $50,000 PA accounts. I have 0 right now. Well, I'm literally starting from scratch. But this is why it's so important when we meet in our mastermind group, we go over it when it's less violent. So you got to periodically hit studies, apply. I don't know why you got to do that. That sucks. But see how it populates? So we have a higher high, pulling back. Now we have a lower low. So it's pretty volatile right now. Yeah, I got you, bro. We're going to learn it together. Oh, shit. The lady pulled out in front of you? I got you. No, and this is crazy. Rafa, we're going to meet every single day in our group. Every day. And then we're going to meet every day. And we're not live. We're only in the school and we're working together. Yeah, I'm ready too, bro. Now, what I'm pissed about is, again, you don't know, but Jason, I just said, you didn't reply. Stage 5 trading rejected me, bro. They rejected me. Say you've been denied. What the fuck? Maybe that's a sign that they suck. Because how can they approve John and all them who just started trading, and I've been trading for like 17 years? And I even put in the thing that I have been trading for, a long time. I think it's that shit that happened to me last year, man. I think that is because my friend got denied from AMP Futures. I think those bastards have got something on me, even though it was false and bogus. What's up? What's up, Jamie? So this is beautiful. I'm glad you asked that because you're popping in. I don't know if you're still here, but the answer is, again, I'm still waiting. I'm not, right now I got a no bias, so I'll talk as we're just kind of watching this craziness. I've been trading the ES futures right here. Let me show you. Over here. Over 5 years. That's what I've been doing live on YouTube. ES futures with Charles Schwab. The problem is, that's my money, right? Win, lose, or draw. I've been trading options for 17 years. What I'm going to be focusing on in 2025 when it comes to day trading is the prop firms, trading other people's money. And you can't trade, that I know of, prop firm money with Charles Schwab. So I have to learn something new for that. So this system, brand new. Brand new charts, Sierra charts. Brand new Urenco bar. Don't even know what the hell hardly that is. I've been trading candlesticks. So it's not that I changed up my strategy. It's just I've already got that one mastered. Now I'm going to master this. But I'm brand new. So I'm starting fresh this year. So if I take a beating, you're going to see it. If I win, you're going to see it. I'm not an expert at this. This is the first time ever. Right? But that's my goal. I didn't even know what Apex was until a couple weeks ago. But, this is, to me, if I could go back, I would have been trading this from the start for futures, not options. Just, they're not going to give you money to trade options. I wish, but as far as I know. So TTM squeeze is options. I use TD Ameritrade. I'm never going to change that, ever, right? But for day trading, I'm trading this, right? These Urenco bars and prop firms. So if you found my channel via TTM squeeze, same. I'll never change that stuff. I have an options course where I teach all that. That's the same. But if you've been watching me day trade, yes, this is different. But it's good because I'm learning brand new and I'm doing it live. Doing it live. Look at this. Holy crap. That is volatile. Anybody trading this is having a disaster. Okay? Having a disaster. But again, I trade the squeeze on TD Ameritrade. I do that every day for my live classes. We do live classes every day from about 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time to 11. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. That's when I do options live classes for the school. And in that class, we go over the course and we trade live. That's going to stay the same forever till I'm dead or I can't see anymore. But day trading, we're trading the Nasdaq now for this strategy. And I'm using this Sierra charts. All right. So thanks for the question. Thanks for being here, man. Rafa said that drop was a single three. Yeah, dude. These Urenco charts are on crack, bro. I'm actually afraid to put a damn trade on. Okay. Look at this. Look how volatile these are. This range will destroy you. It's just up and down. I'm in no hurry. No hurry. So again, highs and lows. If that's what they talked about today, I mean, we all know highs and lows. That ain't no big deal. Because what they're doing is they're talking about taking these higher low pullbacks up, but it's not that easy. So Jason, remember we talked about yesterday about the auto trader? This would have got you in the trade. This would have got you in the trade long. Yeah, you're right. It's in the middle of the range anyway, right, Rafa? So this would have triggered you long on the auto trader and probably already stopped you out. Actually, not stopped you out yet, but you would be in this trade. See this higher low? If I turn on the auto trader, it would have triggered me in that trade. That's why I haven't used it. And look, you probably, well, you haven't lost yet, but I'm not going to disable it. So we have this auto trader right here. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to hide it. There it is. You be stopped out. Auto trader just stopped you out. That's what I'm saying. You see it? You can't rely unless right there, it would have triggered you long, reversed. Done. Done. So here's the deal, my friend. So Jamie, here's the deal. The live coaching is our mastermind. So I have live coaching classes, and it's a combination of the mastermind and all the trading live. So it's everything. And the answer is, does it cover the squeeze? Yes. In our live coaching classes, we're going to be trading this. We're going to be learning this. And we're going to be doing our options. I teach a lot of strategies besides just the squeeze. The squeeze is a setup. But in the mastermind, which is our live classes, yes, we talk about options and we talk about the squeeze. That will not change. So when somebody's in the live coaching class, it's just part of the mastermind. If they want to attend for this, they can do it. All right, get some coffee. Come back. And the course, the options course, you can see in the description of the YouTube video. I'm not joking around. The Options Elite is probably the best option course you're ever going to go through. And that ain't no joke. I'm not saying that because it's mine. I'm being dead serious. And if you have the coaching, after you buy the course, you go through it, you sign up with the coaching, and you get all that stuff. Just to let you know, this ain't no joke. Like, it's a lot. But if you're trying to master 2025, it's the best. All right, so now we're at 9 o'clock. So I'm looking at the S&P. We're still trapped inside a tight range. We're just kind of, very volatile first 30 minutes today. But yeah, check out that course or the live coaching. But in our mastermind, we're really also learning this. So it's a lot of stuff, but it's worth it. All right, so one of the things I think I'm going to look at too is the ES on the toss. So I got toss on another screen, and we're still trapped inside the range. I can't believe John and them are still over there. How long is that damn thing going on? How long can they talk about highs and lows? All right. I'm about to start placing some trades. Win, lose, or draw. All right. But right now, I see kind of a mixed bag. So I'm going to be utilizing these to give me a guide on what to do. All right. So here we go. I'm going to start placing some trades now. I wanted to buy right there, but I think when I logged in, it was a little bit, wow. Good thing I didn't buy. Holy shit. That was crazy. Okay. So again, I'm ready to start taking some trades. Hey, appreciate that. All right, Rafa, you got back here just in time. About to start taking some trades. Win, lose, or draw. Okay? And again, it is what it is. So we got a star on a 6. All right, I'm ready. Here we go. Come on. We're going to do this together. We're learning this together. Oh, I had trade locked. Dang it. That would hit my goal. Guys, I went to buy, and look, I had my platform locked. Damn it. I went to buy. That would have targeted me out. Okay, so one thing I'm learning. Every single night, I lock my trading. I forgot to unlock it. All right, that's okay. We're going to do it again. Get ready. That's crazy. I forgot to freaking unlock it. Jason, I'm just going to do our thing. Win, lose, or draw. I'm not going to make any adjustments. Bam. Lost that one. And again, that's how we're testing it. Okay. Win, lose, or draw. That actually is going to work in my directions. This is going to be a good, maybe I should have a little bit bigger stop. Pretty volatile here this morning, y'all. That's what I'm going to do, though, Jason. Remember, we're learning together. It's pretty volatile, though. I don't like all this volatility. So this is how we're going to learn. If it's too volatile in the morning, I'm going to be focusing on the afternoon. But I'm going to stick to our plan from yesterday that me and you discussed, and I'm just going to go for it and then learn the lesson, right? Learn the lesson. But what I do like is, again, it's moving up. The stop may not be big enough, Jason. That stop may not be big enough. Remember we were talking about that yesterday? Bam! Not there. Woo! Again, I don't care. I'm going to stick to our plan from yesterday. Pretty volatile. That's 83. But that's not bad. Because at least I know. Right? And again, this trade would have won, but I had my trade locked. All right. So let's see here. Yeah, it's volatile, man. But you know what? I got to learn this, right? I got to learn it. This is a bunch of pre-market. Yeah, I do agree, brother. Because, I mean, it's pretty, but it's okay. I mean, I'm going to stick to our plan that we talked about. The only thing is, that might not have been enough room, man. That's okay. I don't really care. Again, I bought these evaluation accounts. I'm going to buy more, but I'm going to stick to the plan. And we're going to do it together. That's the only way to learn, right? All right, but you see how quick it is? Like, crazy. All right. Still bouncing around. Really, really volatile. So we got us a low. Anybody trying to trade right now is getting destroyed on this. We're still inside the range on the S&P as well. Lower highs. All right. Let's see what we got here. Again, we're just flip-flopping back and forth. So this is telling me that things are really volatile. But what I've got is I've got an 80-tick target and a 40-tick stop. So one win is 2-1. I like that better than taking one trade and next thing you know, you're down like $600. Jason, Auto Trader would have got you in. Bam, look at his chopsticks. Pretty volatile right now, y'all. All right, let's see here. So we got this lower low. We got 3 stars down here. God, this thing is flipping back and forth, man. We coming from the bottom. We got this star and a 6. Again, it's flip. This is a lot of craziness happen right now. Pre-market FOMC volatility. And we're going to be in the room today when this happens. Still trapped inside the range. And I wanted to take this trade. I'm glad I didn't take that trade. This is crazy. Whenever you're new to this, like, this is hard. I can guarantee you new people trying to trade this are getting killed. This is psycho, bro. Rafa, in the afternoon, it's besides the FOMC, it's not so violent, man. It's not as violent as this. It's clean. Lots of times it's real clean in the afternoon. But that's okay. We're going to keep doing it until we master this shit. So we got us a double star at the 6. Man. And we're flipping back and forth, man. See, I'm not going to take this trade either. This is a trade in the afternoon I would take. I would go long right there in the afternoon. Right now, shit, I don't know. And my target would probably be about right here. My stop would be right there. Let's see what would have happened. Fuck! Not yet. Not yet. Look at that. Oh, shit. I probably would still be in it. I ain't never seen so much craziness, dude. Oh! I would have got stopped out. Shit! This is crazy. No, see, you're right. And we're still inside the range anyway. Yeah. So I'm going to really, again, this is what Rafa, we just started this. So what's good is we're learning it in real time. And that's what's so great is We're learning it in real time. And then we're talking about it later and we're going over it. But yeah, you're right. This is pretty psycho right now. I want to be short, man. I want to be short. See, I would have went short. Wow. This is crazy. All right. So I'm going to take a trade here in a minute. I want to go short, though. I don't want to go long. I want to see this roll over, this lower high. If you had the auto trader, it would have got you in right there. It would have got you in, and you probably would have won. All right, so I'm going to be looking to go short. Let's see what happens. Again, very volatile, but hey, that's the way to learn, right? Damn, see these suckers? Wow. Wow. Nasdaq down 72. I would have went short right there and lost. This is too crazy right now. But we're watching. Just watch and focus. Got a double. We got a. I think there's a. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Double star at the 0. Could reject off the 0 and head down. This is too volatile right now, man. But it's fun. These charts are awesome. I mean, they're crazy, but they're so much more exciting. ES is still inside the 30-minute range. Jason, this is where we talked about we've got to recognize these situations because this is the situations that'll chop you to shreds. We've got to figure out because this is the situation. This will kill you. This will kill you. Damn, look at this. All right, so I would normally want to go short with a stop loss and a target. It's just there's no trend right now, y'all. There's no trend. That's why these trades will be chopping us to death. There's no... Fuck. We're coming into BB4. So it might bounce, but shit, this is straight up going down, dude. I would have went short. Wow. All right, so we got us a swing low. I'm going to try to go long here in a second. I'm just going to... No. This is too volatile for me, y'all. See it? There's no follow-through. This is crazy. Let's just keep watching. This is nuts, man. Nuts. That was a diamond. That was a diamond right there. You're right at a potential reversal area. What is Charles saying? Charles trading this? Charles says he's still short. Yeah, I get you, buddy. This is a whole different ball game over here. This is a whole different animal, my friends. Whole different animal. We got a lot of selling pressure, though, going on. Once I start taking some trades, I'm gonna keep doing it, but I'm just trying to look at these and study these. I right now want to stay short, okay? So I'm focused to the downside right now. S&P just broke the 30-minute range. I want to trade to the downside right now, okay? As long as we stay under that lower high, I'm focused short. I want to see if this can roll over. I'm not messing with this to the long side. Super choppy right now. Wow. All right. Now we still got that lower high. So would you apply? Okay. Charles says his buy is down as met. Again, this is a hold. Look at all these little mini higher lows, right? Okay, so now this is what they were going over today. But see, this is what's interesting is there's so many. Look, when I reset it, that changed. That's crazy, man. The problem is these things change. That makes it difficult if you're trying to read highs and lows. So right now, though, still volatile. I still want to be down. I'm going to be looking to take a trade short. But look at this. We got to figure that out, man. Those were winners, man. Those were winners. These were winners. Damn it. We've got to figure this out because those were all winners. I just didn't pull the trigger. You know what? We just got to do it, man. Fuck it. Win, lose, or draw. We're down 83. Remember, I'm copy trading on 3 different accounts. I don't mind losing, but I need to be consistent. Like, what? We need to be consistent. So maybe you're taking notes so we can talk about it later. But again, yesterday I would have went long right here. Just, man, to be honest, I feel kind of gun shy to do it. Pretty volatile. I can't, we can't feel gun shy, man. It is what it is. Once we have, let's say we have 10 accounts. If you make $100 times 10, that's $1,000 a day. That's what we're going to be working towards this year. Look at this shit go up. You had that double star. Double star. See, this is screwing me up because I can see how choppy. Now we're back inside the 30-minute range. Doesn't matter. That's it. I'm going to start taking these trades. Period. Period. All right, so we got the Wilder X arrow. Let's see what happens here. That right there would have paid. Would have paid. We got to just take these trades, man. Period. What's going on, the awakening? Yeah, so again, the squeeze I do with my option trading. I do that in my option, the squeeze. Here, we're day trading this Nasdaq. Using this crazy ass shit. So yeah, I'm all over the squeeze. I love it. But we do that on our options, right? We do that at 10 o'clock every day in the school. We do have the course down below, but this we're learning. Okay, I want to go short, but damn it, it's moving too fast. Shit! Look at that! How can you do that? Fucking crazy! God! But we'll love it. The awakening. All right, here we go. I want to sell it. I'm just gun shy. I wanted to sell it right here, but I've been getting stopped out all day. Look at that. I would have got stopped out again, dude. Fuck. Gonna watch here. Once we get it, though, we're gonna be nailing this shit, dude. And again, we will do options today at 10 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time. But this shit. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Win, lose, or draw. I don't give a shit. Here we go. I'm just gonna go it, no scared, right? Oh, dude, this is crazy. This is crazy. Jason, this is what we talked about. If it ain't trending, you get killed. Fuck. But hey, it's the only way for us to learn, right? This is crazy. What's up, Sean? Dude, Sean, this is like nuts. Yeah. And again, we're learning this. We got no training, you know, we're learning it on our own. I'm hoping next week we actually get training on it. I wanted to go short right there. I should have went short right there. But I didn't. Hey, what's going on, brother? I get you here to watch. Look at that. I wanted to go short. I would have lost. Yeah. Maybe. I'm not even going to say anything, dude. Because you already know where I'm going to go laughing at. You already know I'm going to fucking laugh. All right, here we go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. We're going to do it again. All right, so I like this. Just we're not getting any, it just hasn't had any follow through, man. Look at that move. I should have been in that move. I want to go long, but I'm gun shy. I wanted to go long. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Fuck it. It worked. It would have worked. All right. That's fine. That's fine. I wanted to go long, and I didn't. That's how we do it. But again, this is, you got to watch these in real time, right? We're doing it brand new. We're learning this shit together. And yes, without coaching, but those were winners. The one that I took lost, but those were winners. This is some crazy. Y'all are witnessing in real time how crazy. Look at that. How come we didn't get that? Yeah, this is nuts, bro. All right. It's okay. Let's keep going. It's a nice pullback right here. That's okay, though. Like I said, the good news is the more we watch this in real time, the easier it's going to get. Right? And we're only down 124 because I've man, look at that. So like, watch this. If you right click, go to studies. And again, Sean, we're going to get this. Like, there's not a doubt in my mind. We're brand new. It's like everything else. We're just testing it. Right? I mean, I'm trading these evaluation accounts, but no problem. We just buy more. Right? Looking at the ES right now, it's still inside the 30-minute range. That's representing Chop Fest. And no wonder this is getting crazy right now. I figure if you can learn right now, you can learn. Exactly. But the thing is, we're getting no train. You know, this is us trying to figure it out on our own. And that's hard, right? Now, next week, we're actually supposed to be learning more, which is good. But right now, this is just us kind of doing it on our own, right? All right. We got us a double star at the 6. This is where I would normally want to go short. But I would have got stopped out. Look, I would have got stopped out. Shit. This is crazy. Might be that FOMC jitters. Oh, I'm never giving up, brother. With these prop firms, oh, I ain't never giving up. Like I said, I'm going to figure it out this year, and I'm going to do it with y'all. We're going to do it together. We're going to do it together. No matter what. And I don't care. Look at that. Look at that. If I keep taking a beating, it doesn't matter. That's the only way to learn. These trades worked a minute ago. And you can't be scared, right? You got to take your signals. Regardless. Win, lose, or draw. A bunch of ants trying to shake the oak tree. Don't give up. No, I'm never giving up, brother. Like I said, I'm hoping that next week we actually really get some good training on this. Here we go. Again, I'm going to do what we said, Jason. Win, lose, or draw. I'm just going to take these trades, and I'm not moving my stop, and I'm not moving my target. It's either going to stop me out or hit my target. That's what I'm going to experiment with today. Because I'm doing, this is all experimenting. This is all experimenting anyway. Hey, we hit a target, baby. Woo! All right, we're back in the game. All right, so there we go. And one win, 2-1, baby. Oh, look at that. Okay, hang on. So you said you were 200 from passing your evaluation this morning, got stopped out twice, and now you got, yeah, that happened to me the other day. I was literally, I had worked so hard to build it up, and then in one day, I blew up the whole account. Me too. Got to work the fake, but we just hit a trade. All right. Yeah, Sean, I mean, honestly, I'm just trying to catch these pullbacks, brother. Again, I know there's more to it. That's what we talk about in the afternoon, though, right? But yep. All right, so here we go. What was that? S&P is still in the range. I want to go short again, but I didn't. Thank God I didn't. I probably fucking lose, but well, I might not have got stopped out yet, but yep. This is so volatile right now, and these Ringo charts are on crack. But we're going to get it. We're going to get it. I can promise you that. We're going to get it. There's not a doubt in my mind that we're going to get it. We always do. We just got to watch what happens in real time, work together as a team, and figure it out. Period. Period. That's it. We figure it out. And I'm not making any adjustments today. When I enter a trade today, it's either we lose or we win. There's no adjustments along the way. Period. 2 to 1, that's what I'm going for. Like we talked about yesterday, Jason. Okay, like we talked about yesterday. This Nasdaq will pull back. Oh my God. Yes, it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's okay. So I want to see what you said. So you said you passed your last 2 in a day. Okay, the last 2 I've passed, I've lost in 1 day. Shit. So the last 2 that you passed, you lost in 1. Yeah, you know what? That's the issue, right? It's not just about passing. That's why it's about being consistent. And the only way for me to get to consistent is to get in here and do it and figure it out. That's crazy, though. Like, this is a lot harder than the afternoon. In the afternoon, it's way more clean, man. Clean. This is very, very difficult. I mean, you can even see down here. We're just chopping around sideways. This is destroying people. But that's okay. That's how we do it. Yeah. They're awesome charts, but it's like everything else. It's a learning curve. I mean, look at this. If you've been trying to take these, you're dead. You're dead. But it's all the risk management because these prop firms, and again, I don't pretend to be an expert. I don't know hardly anything about them. But what I'm learning in our group too is they're very picky, right? Which means we've got to get really good. And we are going to get good. I can guarantee you that. I can guarantee you we're going to get good. I always figure it out. I've been trading for a long time. It's just me trading, getting stopped out, learning a lesson. Trading, getting stopped out, learning a lesson. Once you get it, it's over. But y'all are watching me. Right now, I'm down 125. I'm copy trading on 3 accounts. They're evaluation accounts, but let me go back here for a minute. I want to see something. Let me go back over here. This was earlier. We bounced off that lower low. That was that nice run, man. Nice run. So let's keep watching. Look at it now. You can see, right? Pulling back. God, it's gone, dude. These charts are crazy. I would have taken that. I can't even get in. It's going too fast. Look at that. Hang on. Let me. I got to go back because we got to figure out this move. This move has to be caught. We have to figure out, y'all, in the mastermind group, we have to figure out how to catch that move with this software. All right, hang on. We might get a diamond. We might get a diamond. And we've got to figure out how to catch that move. All right. So if you did the auto trader would get you in this trade. Yeah, exactly. And you are right, Sean. You are absolutely right. Okay. All right. So I like this. Okay. So here we go. I love this pattern. This is a diamond. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Probably lose, but fuck it. God, it's not pulling back. Oh! Shit! Shit! It's like it knows, man. What the? Dude. But again, without training, what do you do? Shit, what do you do, man? What do you do? At least y'all are watching this in real time. Fuck it. The same thing here. Yep. Oh, I will. You better believe I will, my friend. You better believe it. I will ask and ask and ask and ask. There ain't no messing around for me. Let's be persistent, assertive, and I will keep asking questions. Well, next week we're supposed to be trading and like learning more. Right now, we're just kind of doing it on our own. And as you can see, it ain't working out too well. But it is the morning. And in the afternoon, it's going to be a lot easier. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. That was a great lesson. I'm going to trade all day. I don't have a problem, right? I'm going to practice all day long. But this was tricky. So what I'm going to do over here is a couple trades, it'll recover that. So not a big deal, but it's a good lesson. So I'm going to go over here to my trading platform and I'm going to lock it. And then for those of you on YouTube, hey, come back every day. We're going to do it. Right now, we're going to talk here as a group. Then we're going to get into our option trading. And then later on at 11:30, we're going to go back in the mastermind group and we're going to go over, you know, everything that you learned today in the orientation. And then we're going to talk about this and then we're going to trade. We're going to figure it out. No matter what, we're going to figure it out. Gotcha, brother. It's like that. How come that worked, right? It is what it is. We'll come back in the afternoon on that. All right, I'm going to jump off YouTube. We'll see y'all back here tomorrow or in our mastermind live coaching for the options here right now. Y'all in the room, stay here.